00030 corrosion. It's a relentless enemy, eating away at materials over time. From rusting bridges to compromised electronics, it poses serious threats to safety and costs industries billions every year. But what if we could predict and prevent this damage before it happens? Introducing our state-of-the-art salt spray chamber. This cutting-edge device simulates corrosive environments to test the durability of your materials and coatings. Imagine knowing exactly how your product will perform under harsh conditions, long before it hits the market. That's the power of the salt spray chamber. Let's dive into the features. Precision nozzles, a user-friendly control panel, and robust sample racks ensure an accurate and reliable testing process. You can finely control temperature, humidity, and salt concentration to mimic real-world environments, accelerating the corrosion process for quick and actionable insights. What's more, this chamber is a game changer across industries. Automotive parts, electronic components, painted surfaces, you name it. By putting your materials through rigorous testing, you ensure they'll stand the test of time, enhancing durability and safety for your customers. And it doesn't stop there. Our salt spray chamber complies with international standards like ASTM, ISO, and JIS, guaranteeing that your test results are not only accurate but also globally recognized. This means you can confidently present your products in any market, knowing they meet the highest quality benchmarks. Ready to revolutionize your approach to corrosion testing? Visit our website to learn more about our salt spray chamber and how it can benefit your business. Contact us today for inquiries and take the first step towards ensuring your products last longer and perform better. Remember, with our salt spray chamber, you're not just testing for today, you're safeguarding for the future. The salt spray chamber is designed with the latest technology to provide you with the most accurate and reliable results. It features precision nozzles that spray a fine mist of saline solution onto your test samples, simulating the effects of a corrosive environment. The user-friendly control panel allows you to easily adjust the settings to match the specific conditions you want to test for. The robust sample racks ensure that your test samples are securely held in place during the testing process, preventing any movement that could affect the results. The chamber also has a built-in system for monitoring and controlling the temperature and humidity levels, ensuring that the test conditions remain consistent throughout the testing period. The salt spray chamber is not only a valuable tool for testing the durability of materials and coatings, but it is also an essential part of the quality control process for many industries. By using the salt spray chamber to test your products, you can identify potential issues before they become major problems, saving you time and money in the long run. The salt spray chamber is also a great way to demonstrate the quality and reliability of your products to your customers. By showing them the results of your corrosion testing, you can build trust and confidence in your brand, helping you to stand out in a competitive market. In addition to its many features, the salt spray chamber is also easy to maintain and operate. The chamber is designed to be user-friendly with clear instructions and easy-to-use controls. The chamber is also built to last, with high-quality materials and construction that ensure it will provide reliable performance for years to come. Whether you are a small business or a large corporation, the salt spray chamber is an invaluable tool for ensuring the quality and durability of your products. By investing in a salt spray chamber, you are investing in the future of your business, helping to ensure that your products meet the highest standards of quality and reliability. So why wait? Contact us today to learn more about our salt spray chamber and how it can benefit your business. Our team of experts is ready to answer any questions you may have and help you get started with your corrosion testing. With our salt spray chamber, you can be confident that your products will stand the test of time and perform at their best, no matter what conditions they face. Don't let corrosion be a problem for your business. Invest in a salt spray chamber today and take the first step towards ensuring the quality and durability of your products. With our state-of-the-art technology and expert support, you can be confident that your products will meet the highest standards of quality and reliability. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you revolutionize your approach to corrosion testing with our ultimate salt spray chamber. Our salt spray chamber complies with international standards like ASTM, ISO, and JIS, guaranteeing that your test results are not only accurate but also globally recognized. This means you can confidently present your products in any market, knowing they meet the highest quality benchmarks. This means you can confidently present your products in any market, knowing they meet the highest quality benchmarks. Ready to revolutionize your approach to corrosion testing? Visit our website to learn more about our salt spray chamber and how it can benefit your business. Contact us today for inquiries and take the first step towards ensuring your products last longer and perform better. Remember, with our salt spray chamber, you're not just testing for today, you're safeguarding for the future.